I will explain about PAL, Programmable Array Logic, and the main application for the PAL is, you can say this, it is used to design in consumer electronics, that is washing machine controlling, microwave controlling system, and automation system, mainly home automation system. These are the main applications for the PL, Programmable Array Logic. You can say this, implement their controlling functions, and automotive electronics. Using this PL, we can design, that is like automotive electronics. Means you can say this, you can managing engine functions, fuel injection and emission control system. Like this, audio system controlling. Everywhere, by using this we can design, we can control all the systems. And even if you go for communication system, error detection and controlling, correction. In embedded system also we are using. So that is the reason it is very important in digital electronics. So PL, Programmable Array Logic, it is a combination of both AND array and OR arrays. A is called as, that is Programmable Array Logic. So these are the inputs, and you can see this, these are the inputs and these are the output side. So for in academics, for a students, we need to draw these two diagrams to get that is maximum marks. So this is an array of, it is a combination of AND and OR arrays, but the difference between PL and PLA is, in PL, Programmable Array Logic, AND array is variable. This is variable, AND array. If you want to change, you can change the output. I will tell you anyhow. OR array is fixed. This is the OR array and this is the OR array. This is fixed. Once you have designed, I will get same output. So I will tell you clearly what is. But if you go for PLA, Programmable Logic Array, so both are variable. This is AND array is variable. Once you have designed a chip, even though you can, it is not programmable. That is variable, programmable. So OR array is variable, both are variable, and programmable means that is programmable. So AND array is variable and OR array is also variable in PLA, but not here. So in PAL, Programmable Array Logic, only this output can change. Even after designing, with this output can programmable, but OR array is fixed. That is the Programmable Array Logic. I will tell you, even if you go for this, A bar is connected wire and B bar is connected wire here. Variable means here instead of this we can take, we can vary. I want that is A comma B. So that is the meaning for, instead of A bar comma B bar, I can write a program. I want to get AB. This is the variable meaning, programmable. So we can change the output for this AND array, but here this is fixed. This is fixed OR array. What is the output for Y0? For example, Y0, in this diagram you can see this Y0 output is, this is A bar B bar, and here also wire connection is there. This is AB, and this is A B bar. This is you can see this B is there, B only B is there. This is B. So here then the OR array output is A B bar. Y bar means that is A bar B bar plus AB plus P. AB plus B. So this is fixed. Once you have designed, this point is fixed, this point is fixed, this point is fixed. So this is about programmable array logic. You can say this, the difference. OR array is fixed in PAL. OR array is fixed, and array is programmable in PAL. Programmable array logic. But if you go for PLA, programmable array logic, so both AND array is variable and OR array is also programmable. Both are programmable in PLA. But here not like that. Only OR array is fixed and array is variable. And array is variable. So that is about, as I said, that is applications of PLA, programmable array logic. Thank you.